In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play ARK with friends without the host barrier. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I am doing this process on my PC on the Epic Games version of ARK. However, you can also find this option on different versions of ARK. As you can see, if I head over to the host or local tab, I'll be able to select the general tab under the ARK rules and scroll down until I see the non-dedicated host tether distance. As you can see, this is what we're looking for. It affects the distance that connected players to the server are allowed to be from the host. As you can see, I can increase it all the way to 3 and lower it all the way down to 0. As you can see, on the Epic Games version of the game, I can quickly and easily change this. However, I do want to make a disclaimer and say that if you are trying to do this on an Xbox or PS4, for example, you might not even see this action. This is because on those versions of ARK, you are not allowed to change the host barrier. You are only allowed to mess with the barrier on some versions of ARK like the PC ones, so Steam, Microsoft Store and Epic Games like I've demonstrated here. Besides changing this setting listed over here, there is nothing you can do to remove the host barrier. The host barrier exists because of the console limitations of running ARK, and it is always going to be enabled. There is no workaround to that, and if you don't see the option, you will not be able to modify it in any way. I hope I was able to help you on how to play ARK with friends without the host barrier. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.